Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Al-Ghifari Marindra Fazrin from Chemical Engineering, Singapura Bangsa University Karawang. Will be explain about question number 11.3-2 from page 690 of the book Beyond Coplis. And the question is about comparison of differential and flash distillation. A mixture of 100 kilograms mole which contains 60 mole percent and pentane or A and 40 mole percent and heptane or B is vaporized at 101.32 kPa pressure under differential conditions until 40 kilograms small are distilled. Use equilibrium data from example 11.3-2, and this is the example and this is the data. Okay, we start from A. What is the average composition of the total vapor distilled and the composition of the liquid left? First, we have to create it, the curve like this. It is from the value x and 1 per y min x, and why this empty, because if you insert the value it will be change the curve, and because of that it's empty. And then for the A, I have two way for answer this question. But let's start from the first. Okay, for the A, L1 equals to 100 kilograms, L2 equals to 60 kilograms, and X1 equals to 0.6, and the V equals to 40. And for L2 is equals to 60 because the L1 minus V and get 60 kilograms. Next we set the value from learn 100 per 60 is 0.51083, and it's equal to integral dx per y min x. It is from equation 11.3-12. It is from the example. If you open it in page 647, it will be the example and this equation. For the first way, ln L1 per L2 equals to minus ln Y minus X1 minus X2, and the ln will be gone because the division, and then L1 per L2 equals to minus Y minus X1 minus X2, and just insert the value, and x2 is 2.05067 on 1 per y min x. For this x2 is still on 1 per y min x. Because of that we have to start and get the original value for the x2, and now we created the lines on x1 0.6 in the height on this x2 on 1 per y min x. We follow this line until it hit the curve, and then we get x2 equals to 0.405, and then we use this equation from equation 11.3 just 11, equation 11.3 dash 11, and then we just insert the value for L1, X1, L2, X2, and we will get y average is 0.8925. For this way, I get it from internet, and I little confused about this way because he just pull the line and he gets this, and because of that I have a second way. It is using the area of trapezoid equation and real and error. Okay, let's start from trial one. Trial one, I use x2 equals to 0.4, and it is we have the benchmark. It is the maximal value for the trial. If it exceeds the maximum value, it will be the another trial. Okay, let's start from trial one. It is in 0.4 and it is 0.4. You created the lines on a 0.4, and then it is will be the trapezoid, and we will calculating area of trapezoid. We just use this equation, and 3.2 plus 2.2 per 2, and it will be, and this is the value 0.54 because it is exceeds the maximum. It will be another trial that not exceeds the maximum value. Trial 2 is x2 equals to 0.42, and it will be get 0.495. It is not exceeds the maximum, and then it is stop in trial 2, and then we using interpolation to search the value of x2, and this is the interpolation, and we get x2 0.41298, and we insert again in this equation, and y average is 0.88053. For the second way, I like this because the way is more sense because it use calculation, and I recommend it. Okay, and now for B. If this same vaporization is done in an equilibrium or flash distillation and 40 kilograms mole are distillate, what is the composition of the vapor distillate and of the liquid left? Okay, for the B, we use flash distillation, and because of that, the F equals to 100, V is 40, and F mean V is 60, and we use equation 11.3-6. And before of that, we created the another curve from this two. It is the curve, and it is just the line I draw. Okay, the equation 11.3-6, it is like this, and we just to put in the value of this tree, and we get this. It is for the trial and error solution. Example, if y equals to 0.5, then the x is 0.66667, and if y equals to 0.8, then the x is 0.466667, and if y equals to 0.9, the x is 0.4. From this tree, I created this line, and this is the point of this tree, and we just research this Yes, the line will hit the curve that is dx. Can we obtain and have the x equals to 0.43 and we insert it to this equals and we will get y equals to 0.899. Okay, just that can I explain if I cannot speak well, and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.